Welcome to our world so bright. Tiny talkers, pure delight.
One bright sun in the sky so blue, shining down on two little bunnies. Hop, 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 looking for a carrot until they stop. Three little birds on a garden fence, singing songs that make great sense. Four red apples, round and sweet, picked from the tree for a tasty treat. Five bright stars in the dark of night, giving us a magical glow. Six tiny ants in a very long line, working together, they're doing fine. Seven balloons floating high and free, hashtag yellow and red for you and me. Eight funny octos deep in the sea, waving their arms at you and me. Nine small ladybugs, 10 fireflies, lighting up the world before our eyes.
We counted to 10, you did so great. Counting is fun, it's worth the wait. Subscribe, Talkers.